Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today I want to review one of the cheapest foldable cell phone cases for the Z Fold 6. And this is off Amazon, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know what to expect, but I guess that's the beauty of it. So it does actually have male wolf, and it has down the back. It's an $18 phone case, which for foldable cell phones is really horrendous price tag. I mean, it's amazing price tag wise, but it's just horrendously cheap. Because usually you spend a lot more than $18 for a cell phone case. But hey, don't knock it till you try it. What? Okay. So it's held together by this little thing right here. And okay, it says, please peel off front and back protected before application. Okay. Wait, remove this thing, or is there like a... I don't know if there's a connection with it. And it says front and back, but is there a front and back layer? Bro. Oh wait, hold up. There is. I see it. Okay. We're talking about that. I got it. Where's the front one? Where's the back one? Okay. That is interesting. Okay, well, at least it has this. That's one positive in all this. Alright, so this seems pretty simple to put on. You open up your phone. You snap it right in place. And that's it. I'll be honest with you. For what it is, it's not that bad. For actually what it is, it's actually not that bad. Again, like I said, I didn't know what to expect going into this. But, I mean, it gives you all control of your ports. Yeah, I have used some very cheap foldable cell phone cases. I will say, it's the typical issue when it comes to any cell phone case, when it comes to these foldables, trying to get your finger in there to unlock it. It's not bad, it just, there is that situation. Ooh, the volume rocker is a little crusty. I don't know if that's something you have to break in, but the volume rocker is definitely a tad bit crusty. But yeah, no, so it doesn't protect the hinge, but it does go ahead and let you open it up and close it without any real problem at all, to be honest. I mean, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I don't think it's the worst phone case possible. It definitely, again, you know, listen, it's not... They don't use adhesive to glue it to the actual phone, which I know Samsung does with their phone cases. I'm kind of, you know, in between when it comes to that. 'Cause I understand why they do that, to keep it, like, secure. But at the same time, it's not always my favorite cup of tea. So, you also get to see your beautiful white display. I mean, white outside phone, if whatever color you got. So, that's cool factor with this case. It is a clear case. Now, the biggest problem with these cheap clear cases like this, they start to yellow over time. So, what you'll see is, right now, it's clear, right? Give it a year or so. This will start to yellow like crazy, and you won't be able to actually see anything but a yellow phone case. That's another problem when it comes to these phone cases, is they start to yellow over time and they start to look disgusting. So, for what it is, again, like I said, it looks gorgeous. It functions like it should. And does it protect the phone? I would not drop my phone with this case on. I'll be honest with you, I would not drop my phone with this case on. But, for what it is, if you need something in a pinch, and you're like, listen, I don't have $70, $80 to spend on a freaking phone case, you could go worse than this, okay? You could definitely go worse.